So we've just woken up at 1:30 a.m. in the morning. Our UPSs have just gone off. This is what it is like. When I say UPSs, oh my brain, it's 1:30 a.m. in the morning. Well, we've just been woken up because our UPS system in the house is beeping, letting us know we have no power. And it's because our Powerwall system has just crashed. Now, we recently, after 18 months of having issues with our 10 Powerwalls, I can't think. We've just gone through maybe our 5th firmware patch, and Tesla they took 8 hours to apply the firmware patch. It was supposed to only take an hour, but our system kept crashing. It crashed over 50 times. It broke my garage roller door motor. My gate to the front of my house. That motor just burnt out. It has 240 volts now, but the DC unit is no longer providing power. That took place when we were doing this Tesla update that took 8 hours. And I apologise for rambling. It's the middle of the night. We've just been woken up. So this is the frustrations we've had. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of outages on our Powerwall setup, and people keep saying, why don't you get a UPS? We're at a business premise that's also co-joined to a residential premise, and there's a lot of different devices. Like I've got, this is a house that we bought, and a business location that we bought, and it has lots of different units to it, security systems, underground cabling, gates here, there, everywhere. So we're slowly, buying UPSs, but it's a very expensive exercise. When we entered into this agreement with Tesla to set up this 10 Power system, they mentioned it would be stable. It was essentially a warranty problem if the system crashed, and in the last 18 months, it's crashed more than 100 times. We're talking about a few hundred times, and sometimes multiple times in a day, 10 times in a given day when it was really bad. And that's when we, instead of having 10 Powerwalls running, we'd only have 6, and 6 would reach, stability and only crash, say, once every 4 months. But recently we got firmware to go back to 10 Powerwalls, and now we're crashing again. And, we've had no power now for 5 minutes during the middle of the night, and our UPSs are beeping, waking us up. I think I've just heard it ticking over. There we go. Mate, that is creepy as. It's just creepy as being out here. I've got my vending machine turning on. That's it. There's my 1:30 a.m. That's what happens, guys. It's time to try and get a refund on this whole install. I am sick of it. Good night.